So I'm going to go over a TRX Assisted Squat. And we're going to make sure that your heels are on some type of wedge or a slant board in this case. You can make your own slant board by piling a couple of books onto an angle, so they end up something like that. If they're large enough books. All right. So what you're going to do is you need some type of suspension system. You're going to stand facing it. And there's a couple of things to start with. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the inside part of your heels, ball of foot, like usual, okay? It's going to be heavy there. And then you're going to lean back enough so that the shoulder blades sort of move apart from each other, okay? Right, as you go to lean back, okay? So once you're here, you're going to take that breath in, a long breath out, okay? Take some air in, and then go ahead and start lowering yourself down. So it's like you're dropping your weight straight down. Again, you're trying to keep that space kind of between your shoulder blades big, so you're sort of reaching forward or leaning back, and the knees are traveling forward. Okay. So just checking myself in the window here myself. Come on back up. So it's really going down. If this is as far as you can go before you start shooting out this way or turning into Michael Jackson, either way, sort of just go ahead and stop at that point. So it's going to be, if that's what you got, that's what you got. But if we can keep going down, stay heavy on those inside heels, lean on this as much as you need to, okay? And then pushing those inside of your feet to come back up again. Try about 5 at a time. Let me know if you have any questions.